Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm going to make a very simple and easy but very delicious prawns recipe. Last weekend my wife tried this recipe for the first time and we ate it. We loved it. The prawns masala was made so flavorful that I asked her for the recipe and I thought of shooting it today. So stay tuned till the end, okay, while we make this easy, delicious and very simple prawns recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have these big prawns with their shells on, and I have also trimmed the eye part and deveined it. After which I will season the prawns with lime juice and keep it aside as we prepare our masala. Now for the masala, first we'll dry roast our spices. So these are 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 clove and half teaspoon of peppercorns. Now we'll dry roast this until it starts changing its color. And then once it cools down, we will mix it in a mixer jar. Now in a mixing jar, let's add 2 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, the dry roasted spices, followed by 6 Kashmiri chillies that I deseeded and soaked in hot water. Now soaking the Kashmiri chillies in hot water enhances the color. I'll add some salt and now let's grind this into a smooth paste by adding water little by little. Now let's apply this masala to the prawns. Mix it well with your hands, just be very careful. If you want, you can use a spoon as well. Now we'll let this marinate for 15 minutes, after which we'll start the cooking process. Now in a pan, I'll heat 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is heated, let's add fresh curry leaves and few stems of coriander leaves. Once the oil is flavored, let's start adding our marinated prawns. Now while adding the prawns, I'll keep the flame low. Once all the prawns are added, we'll put the flame on medium and we'll let it cook. Now the prawns won't take much time to cook. We'll just flip it around. And then we will add in the remaining of the masala. Now we'll just cook this for 7 to 8 minutes, flipping the prawns upside down. And we'll let the masala cook. This will take roughly around 7 to 8 minutes. We'll keep the flame high to medium until the prawns and the masala both are cooked. You can check for salt if needed. You can adjust it here. I'll add a little fresh coriander leaves and mix it well. And that's it. Our prawns masala dish is ready to be served. And that's it, guys. My prawns is ready. The prawns masala looks awesome, and trust me, my house is smelling so good. Okay, I'm just eagerly waiting to take a bite of this prawns. It's super delicious, super delicious. Honestly, try this recipe at home. It tastes super delicious. The masala is perfect for the prawns. So do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like the video. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye-bye.